Ayan po si Sir Paul, yung kanina niyo pa po tagal niyo na po hinahanap. Ayan, nakita na kami. At ayan si Madam. At si Tito Ernst TV. Kompleto po. Dito po sila. Happy Fiesta Barangay Burol. Ayan. Ayan mga kadudes, nasa kabilang kalsada na yung ano, doon na. So iikot pa yun, mga dalawa, maximum 3. Pagka ano, kulimlim po kasi, wala masyadong init. Kaya ano, pwedeng umikot siya ng 3 beses.
10 daw sabi ni Madam Pre.
10 daw sabi ni Madam Yula. Andito si Madam Yula, nakipiesta sa barangay namin.
Nakipiesta sa Barangay Burol.
Ayan.
Marcos Busquets.
Marites Duz TV, Papa Dudong. Ayan si Madam, oh. Bisita dito sa aming barangay.
Yes, sabay sa fiesta sa amin dito. Pero dito ako nag-fiesta.
Last year wala siya dito.
Wala ako last year. Si Willie Joe nandito last year.
Oo nga. Antayin po ulit natin. Iikot po ulit nyo ng 1 beses pa o 2. Kasi kulimlim po eh. So ikot pa yun. So ganito lang pong kasimple yung aming barangay dito. Ayan po. Ayan. Sa kabila. Ito Silangan. Doon po sa kabila ay Kanluran.
Kampanya lang ah. Para kampanya.
Kanta na kami. At ayan si Madam. At si Tito Ernst TV. Kompleto po. Dito po sila. Happy Fiesta Barangay Burol!
It's buried in my soul, like California gold. We found the light in me and I couldn't find. So when I want you, every time we say goodbye, it hurts. When the sun goes down and the bell won't play, I'll always remember us this way. And love is in the night, and always shining light. We don't know how to rhyme, but then we try. But all I know, you wanna go. The part of me that you will never die. So I won't you come and I can find the words. And every time you say goodbye, baby, it hurts. When the sun goes down and the band won't play, I'll always remember us this way. And oh yeah, and I wanna be just a memory, baby. So when I want you to go back, I can't find a word. And every time we say goodbye, baby, it hurts. When the sun goes down and the band won't play, I'll always remember us this way. Oh yeah, when you look at me and the whole world fades, I'll always remember us this way.
Yun! Ayos!
Ayos!
Ayos!